Hello everyone, I, Dr. Vinod Kushwaha, Assistant Professor, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Faramatra. Hope so. You all are doing well. I am going to deliver an important topic of crystal physics, which is interplanar distance and cubage. Do you know interplanar distance? The distance between two atoms. The distance between two atoms is known as interplanar distance. So, I am delivered to explain the relation between interplanar distance and cubage. Now, this is a one cubage which accesses Cartesian points x, y and z, and the three axis points A, B and C. So, if A, B, C are a plane having Miller indices HKL, what is known as Miller indices? Miller indices of a plane HKL are the smallest integer of reciprocal of their intercept. Reciprocal means inversely proportional, 1 upon. So, the smallest integer, now we can calculate the value of LCM, lowest common multiple. Move to our relation. If ABC are a plane having Miller indices HKL, 1 upon H, 1 upon K and 1 upon L. So, the plane ABC make OA, OB and OC as the intercept of OX. OX is the axis OX, OY and OZ, which makes a cube. This is given in figure. So, perpendicular ON is the distance of B, interplanar distance. Perpendicular ON from origin is the O points of cube on a plane ABC represent interplanar distance small d. If I explain the cubage figure, now we draw the figure OA, OB on Y and OC on Z. N is the point when O is perpendicular to ON. This is the center point of the triangle. So this distance is small d. And the angle, make an angle x-axis, this is alpha dash, another one beta dash, y-axis and z-axis gamma dash. So alpha dash, beta dash and gamma dash are the angle between references axis OX, OY and OZ and perpendicular to ON. ON is the perpendicular. If we have taken the ratio OA in the axis of OX is 1, so OA is H portion from OX. Now OA ratio OB and ratio OC. OA on x-axis OX, OB on OY axis and OC on OZ axis equal to 1 upon H, ratio 1 upon K and ratio 1 upon L. This is the three ratio. If cube edge length of the one axis 0 to this cube axis, this is known as A. So A upon H, A upon K and A upon L. This is the cube length A and identical. This is cube length A. So OA equal to AYH and OB equal to AYK and OC equal to AYL. This is the three distance OA, OB and OC. Now we apply the angle. This is the right angle. This one is right angle. ON, right angle triangle. ONA. This is right angle triangle. Now cos alpha dash. We calculate the value of cos alpha dash. Cos alpha dash equal to ON base upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OA. ON upon OA. Then ON equal to D upon OA. This is the value of cos alpha dash. This is first triangle. We have taken ONA. This is right angle triangle ONA. Now we have taken the another angle in triangle ONA. Now another angle ON and B. Another angle ONB, triangle ONB cos beta dash. Beta dash is the angle. This is beta angle. This angle is beta. This angle is right 90 degree. Now the angle is ON upon OB. This angle equal to ON upon OB. Now D upon OB. And third one, triangle ONC. Triangle ONC cos gamma dash equal to ON upon OC. Then B upon OC. OA, OB and OC. This is the triangle. We have taken 3 cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. Now this cos alpha equation is equation number first. Cos beta dash equation is equation number 2 and cos gamma dash is equation number 3. According to the law of direction cosine. Do you know law of direction cosine? According to law of direction cosine. What is the law of direction cosine? Cos square alpha dash plus cos square beta dash plus cos square gamma dash equal to 1. We have taken the value of cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. The value of cos alpha dash, cos beta dash and cos gamma dash put in above equation cos square alpha. Now the equation is d square upon OA square plus d square upon OB square and plus d square upon OC square. We have evaluated the value of OA, OB and OC. Now put the value in this equation. The value of OA equal to A upon H, OB equal to A upon K and OC equal to A upon L. The value of OA, OB and OC put in above equation. Now the equation is d square upon A square upon H square plus b square upon A square upon K square plus b square upon A square upon L square. This is the equation. D square upon A square upon H square. This is the value of OA. Another one OB, A square upon K square and another one A square upon C square. Now the value upper side, this value is moved to up. So the value is d square H square upon A square plus d square K square upon A square plus d square L square upon A square. We have taken the value common. d square. Now the value is h square upon a square plus k square upon a square plus l square upon a square. This is value of d square. We have calculated the value d square. Now we have taken the value d square h square upon a square plus k square upon a square plus l square upon a square. This is, it implies that equal to value how much? Equal to 1. Now we have calculated the value of d square. Then d square equal to a square upon h square plus a square upon k square plus a square upon l square. D square equal to 1 upon 1 upon. Now the value of d, this is suffix to h k l, equal to 1 upon under root a square upon h square plus a square upon k square plus a square upon l square. If the length of ABC is different, if the length of ABC is different, d equal to a square upon h square plus k square into l square. If the length is different, now the value of this equation, just a minute, the value of this equation you have moved to this d square equal to, this is a, then a square upon h square plus k square plus l square. If we can calculate the value of d, d h k l equal to a upon under root h square plus k square plus l square. This is d h k l. If a b c, 3 is integer, a b c is the different value, then the value put in a upon h square plus b upon k square plus l upon c square. Now we have taken the smallest number, so calculate the value of LCM. Now the relation is interplanar distance relation is b HKL equal to a upon under root h square plus k square plus l square. This is known as interplanar distance. This is relation between interplanar distance spacing d, which is distance of O to N, spacing d, cube edge A. So the Miller indices cube edge A in HKL. Now DHKL equal to h square upon a square. DHKL equal to 1 upon under root h square upon a square, k square upon a square plus l square upon a square. If A, B, C is different, then h square upon a square plus k square upon b square plus l square upon c square. So the equation is, if A not equal to B not equal to C, if then D H K L equal to 1 upon under root h square upon a square plus k square upon b square plus l square upon c square. This is the relation of interplanar distance where the length ABC is different. So DHKL is the separation between two cube edge and HKL is the Miller indices. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and like. Thank you so much.